Hello everyone, today I've got something for the techs out there. This sheet metal shaped in J or U shape. You can adjust it up and down if you want to. Has a few cutouts, and it's helpful when you need to put together a gearbox. I already installed two of them. One holds the anti-reversal latch in place, and the wires here in the back. One holds the trigger down so it doesn't pop off, very annoying. And another annoying problem is the tappet plate. You can see it's moving up and down, and it can toss off the bushing and the shims with it. So let's install the clip. I usually put it over the spring here. And it also, now it holds down the tappet plate. And now all you need to do is take care of 3 or 4 things that can go wrong instead of 7. Oh, the joy of tacking. Here, and then you just need to pop on the shell. Whoops. I hope this is useful to someone. Take care, guys.